Welcome to Faith and Finance with Gerald W. Parker and MWR Kingdom Builders. My name is BrandMaster, Martina Britt Yelverton, and I serve as your program director for this financial stewardship live stream. Please take the next 30 seconds to send those last-minute texts to others in your community or congregation and invite them to this link, friday.mwrkingdombuilders.com. The link is available in the comments. Just click it, copy, and paste it to invite. Also, be sure to like this stream and to select the bell to get notifications each and every time we go live so that you'll receive a reminder notification. Right now, you have a premier opportunity to gain access to the stewardship platform being discussed next. So trust me, you want to be a part of this now movement and get a sense of urgency to position your community to take back their rightful place. We've kicked off our MWR 2022 year of transformation, and guess what? You can still leverage this Kingdom Builders movement right now. So stick and stay and don't delay. Use this last 30 seconds, this last 10 seconds, this last 5 seconds to share the stream and invite others to hear why now is the time to help God's people take back their rightful place.